meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the tie. If he squeals, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Today we're going to be doing a little video, but before I forget, give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and give me a huge thumbs up. We have LOL Pets, we have Baby Secrets, we have BFFs, LOL Light Up Collectibles, we have Ooshies Collectibles, and we have some Hatchimal collectibles. Comment down below, guys, which one is your favorite collectible? LOLs, BFFs, Baby Secrets, and LOL lineups, Ooshies, that's cool, and Hatchimals. Hatchimal collectibles. By the tie, if he squeals, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Same with this one. Let's see what Ooshies we have. It's Belle, and she's in yellow. I think that's supposed to be like. I think this is supposed to be a limited edition. I don't know. I don't know. Guys, comment down below. What one is it?
Oh, it's Hologram Alice.
Hologram Alice. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the tie. If he squeals, let him know. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. On this one and over, we have to do it. Don't need scissors for that one. These are hard to hatch, actually. Oh, it's a little giraffe with purple wings. Guys, who is this? Because I don't know who's this Hatchimal. But here's the second one, so I'm going to put it next to Alice. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the tie. If he squeals, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. LOLs. It's fancy. What light does she have? I want to know. I can't do the light. And you have to squish it, and I did. Oh, there we go. It's an orange light. Fancy stickers. I'm gonna put these in my room. She's a plane. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the tie. If he squeals, let him know. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay, I need scissors for this. They're soft. I can tell they're soft because I can already see. Oh Oh my gosh, that's so fuzzy and cute. Look at its bag. It's so fuzzy and cute and pretty. Let's see which one it is. It's doing. There's a pug. The bag's name is Rainbow. Right there. Fairy Charlie, and she's a rare. I got a rare, my first rare. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the toe. If he squeals, let him know. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. That one's last, I guess. So, oh well. Okay, I need scissors. Let's cut this open. I just ripped it. It's a bathtub. It's a boy. You didn't get the unicorn. Did not get the unicorn. Roller skates. Let's see if it's ultra or not. Oh, I remember there's two ultra rares. He's not an ultra. I know he's not. Wait. Wait, there's a unicorn's ultra rare too? Do you even know that? Wait. I got an ultra rare! He can sit in his little bathtub. But lie in his little bathtub. No. Sit up, you young man. There's only one left. Oh, eeny, meeny, miny. I got nothing. We're opening the LOL now because it's the last one. 7 surprises. It's gonna be fun. Surprises at the very end of the wrapping. Yeah. If we get a golden ball. I have one rare, one ultra rare. It's fun. Fun unboxing thing. Secret massage. Team Spirit! Team Spirit, guys. Ultra rare, guys. So those are the stickers, and it's just rolling everywhere, of course. I hope we get my favorite one. Ooh. Wait, we got my favorite one. Hey, I also have another favorite one. So by the way, together. Oh, this is her Skillboard cards. That was easy to guess. That was a surfboard. Look at that cute bottle. Surfer puppy. Right there. Oh, she's an athletic club. She's an athletic club. I have that one. Let's open her thing. Look at that. It's a This is my favorite because it's so soft and like sand. Big. That's a little color. It's a little thing that you go. Put it on there. Let's put a little color thing. Break her head off so we can get it on. Guys, look at all this cool stuff we have. today. I think this one's my favorite because Alice, I love Alice in the Wonderland movie. We have to download it. It's really my favorite movie. And also my favorite for today is also this too, because like it's ultra rare, and this, wait, that's the rare, and this is ultra rare, and that is a plane. Oh, and this surfboard's for her, but I just put it in the box so it looks like. Guys, I'm gonna go and play my stuff now. But bye, see you guys later. Stay sweet. Bye.